Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we are going to plan out the month of April. So I have this kit from Simply Smith Stickers. I feel like she made it just for me because my favorite color is purple and it's so pretty. So it comes with the headers, the date numbers, all of the appointment labels, lots of them. Comes with a full strip of washi and then 4 little single boxes, some more appointment labels, and then the side box options. So I am going to go ahead and lay this down and then we will get into the planning. Alright, so I laid down the numbers off camera because I still don't know where my tweezers are, and it took forever. So I did go ahead and put birthday, preschool, and then my exercise, and then I added this little script. It says family where life begins and love never ends because it matched so well. So this isn't going to be an amazing spread because my life is going to consist of baseball. So I'm going to go ahead and put these, I'm going to kind of color code. So for Kason, I'm going to use these lighter colors. And then for Braden, I'm going to use the darker colors. So I do have this baseball practice script from Simply Smith Stickers. I'm going to kind of lay that here, and then I'll put their initial on the side so I kind of know who to take where. So I have that on the first, and then we have Braden's on the 5th here. So we got 2 of their baseball schedules. My daughter, we are still waiting on hers because they need coaches. So, and then the 6th here. Not too happy with the baseball program at the moment. When I signed them up, I specifically asked that they both got on teams that practice on Mondays, Wednesdays, or Fridays because I do work Tuesdays and Thursdays in the evening, and that didn't happen. So fun times. I don't really want to call and complain and tell them to, switch it now because I'm just not that person, but it's frustrating. So we will have Kayson's there, like so. And then I guess I could have laid all these out before. This is going to take forever and I'm not really showing much. So the 12th is Braden. So it's basically the same thing here for all of their practices. So what else is new? I didn't do very well in March with my weight loss, so definitely going to try to kick it up into gear come April. I stopped doing my Peloton workouts in the morning, and I don't know if that's actually helping. I mean, I assume any type of exercise is helping, but I don't know, it's frustrating. I'm literally wavering the same 2 or 3 pounds every time I weigh in, and that's not fun to see. My clothes are definitely getting looser, so I just have to go by that. At the end of the day, I'm not super worried about my weight. I just want to kind of look better, feel better type of thing. But when you see that number, you're still like, bah, you know, it's not a fun time. I did just get a wellness planner from Happy Planner, so I think I'm going to start using that. I saw on TikTok a recipe for overnight oats, so I thought that would kind of be cool. Are they doing the 26th? Okay, I don't think they have anything, so I think that's it for baseball. My daughter does have a few things, but anyways, I'm gonna try overnight oats because I think I'm not getting enough protein, and like when you're working out, you should have more protein. So I think I am going to try to incorporate that. Let's see, what am I doing? 19th. 19th, my daughter has a field trip. I'm going to use these stickers from Fern Creek Stickers I got. Like so. Script doesn't match, but it's fine. And then what else do I have? I have a third color here. My kids don't have school on a couple days. So up here, they are still on spring break this day. And then Good Friday is on the 15th. So we will put that there. I'm going to just put the spring break sticker, even though it's only one day. Actually, should I just put no school? Probably. Save that for next year. Where did he come from? Alright, so here's a no school script. And then we will need one for that day too. These are from Simply Smith stickers as well. And what was I going to do with this? Oh, on the 26th, Mackenzie has a Mother's Day celebration. So we're going to go to that. And then also for her, where's Pink? Is 24th is preschool Sunday. So they do like songs. She goes to school in a church. So they will do songs there. And then I do have, let's see, is there anything? Maybe we could be like class party. Ooh, concert. That's cute. We'll do that there. And this was for Mother's Day celebration. Don't have that on here. Let's try, do I want class party? I don't know. We'll just put class party. So I will need to take that day off for sure. And then on here we have Easter from Fern Creek Stickers as well. So I will put that in purple. And then I don't know when my family plans to get together. Got to kind of incorporate everybody's. Oh, we could put Good Friday there. Maybe we'll just put it up here. It's cramped, but it'll work. We have to incorporate everybody, like my sister and her boyfriend, their schedules. And then my niece, she goes to her dad's house sometimes. So I don't know when we'll be like celebrating Easter. But that's fun. I think that's it for now. So there's nothing on Mondays. And then all of this. All right, let's go ahead and go over here to birthdays. I do want to fill this out real quick. So my friend Shasta is on the 3rd. And then on the 11th is my uncle. And then on the 22nd is my sister's best friend. They have known each other literally since birth. And then on the 25th is my husband's birthday. And then on the 30th is our friend Matt and Greg. They are twins. And then preschool is Tuesday from 8:30 to 11:30. And then Thursday, 8:30 to 11:30. And then for my exercise on Monday, I will go to bar. And that's 6:30 to 7:15. Tuesday, I have class. And then I'm going to do the pump up. So I'm going to put dance fitness and pump up. And that's going to be 5:30 to 5:37, or 5:30, 6:15, 6:15 to 7:30. It's a little close. All right, I'm not sure what happened, but my video cut off. So Tuesday is going to be dance, fitness, and pump up. Then Wednesday is bar, and then Thursday, Friday is my dance classes. So not a ton of activities this month. I will get my daughter's baseball schedule on there, but I just wanted to lay everything out because I was super excited because this kit is very pretty. If you do place an order with her, you can mention me in the checkout notes. You can get my little freebie here. Also, if you place an order soon, she will give you this Easter freebie. Super cute. I love these little peeps. This little Happy Easter. I'm going to use that in my daily duo. But that is it for this video, guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye.